Bartolomeo Veneto was an Italian painter who worked in Venice, the Veneto, and Lombardy. He active 1502 to 1531. During his time in Venice, he studied under Gentile Bellini. The little information available about Bartolomeo's life has been derived from his signatures, dates, and inscriptions. His best-known works are portraits or pictures with portrait-like character. Bartolomeo's later works, and especially those done on commission in Milan, indicate an influence from the artist Leonardo da Vinci. Bartolomeo's early works consist of small devotional pictures. Bartolomeo changed his subject matter to suit his patrons as the interest in portraiture grew in Venice and the Veneto. His portraits became quite popular, and in his later life Bartolomeo obtained many commissions in northern Italy.